Hello, my name is Goku from Wings Education, and today we're going to look at the pronunciation of the words that have the sound sh. So we're looking at SH and others. We have SH, sh. We have TION, shun. And we also have SSION words, shun. So sh, sh, shun, and shun. The SH words that are pronounced sh, sh. Very, very hard sh, sh. Put your teeth together, purse your lips around, sh, like you're saying shush, sh, sh. Tip the tongue further back in your mouth. Shh. Bring your teeth together, almost touching, not quite touching, almost touching. Shh. The words that have the initial SH blend sound make the sh sound. So we have these words here. Ship, ship, share, share. Shot, ship, share, shot. Shun, shun, shoo, shoo, sheep, sheep, shun, shoo, sheep. Shelter, shelter, shout, shout, shrink, shrink, shelter, shout, shrink. Don't forget sh, sh, sh. The words that have the suffix final sounds TION and SSION blends make the shun sound. Shun, shun. When the word finishes with a shun, TION, it's a shun function. The sound is pronounced as shun, function, function. Examination, examination. Inflation, inflation. Association, association. Affiliation, affiliation. Ambition, ambition. Portion, portion. Pronunciation, pronunciation. Participation, participation. Vacation, vacation. When the word finishes with the sound SSION, it's still shun. Succession, succession. Shun, succession, succession. Admission, admission. Mission, mission. Expression, expression. Concession, concession. Session, session. Confession, confession. Thank you, and come back if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask the teachers and trainers at Wings Education. See you later.